welcome back to my channel, and today we have something special. First of all, don't mind if I look left and right, because here I'm filming on my EOS 70D and here I'm recording from my iPhone 12 Pro, because this one I want to use for YouTube and this maybe for, it's a better format for TikTok, Instagram, and yeah. We got a special package today from Sony. Let's get it out. I didn't want to open it without you. So, first of all, this. Look at this. I just bought something I shouldn't have bought. Here, watch it. It's... let's get it out. It's kind of an unboxing video. Look at this. Sony a7 IV. It set me back a lot of money and I shouldn't have done this, but I bought it. So let's see what's in the package. First of all, if I registered, I'd get 1 year plus guarantee. That's cool, I guess. And receive 100 euros off your next lens purchase. Sony lenses are so expensive because that I'm using my Tamron, the 28-75. So at the top we have, I guess this is for the Americans, I think, and for us Europeans as well. I bought it without a kit lens because, well, I have my Tamron, and if I'm buying another lens, it's maybe a 70-200, because, well, I have one that covers 28-75. I don't think I need much wider. And USB-C cable and USB 3.0. Look, it's very cool. Hello, cat. Do you want to see my cat? Come here. She's a little bit shy. And she doesn't like when I'm holding her, but this is Blackie. Hello. Okay, before she gets crazy, let's put her away. The new band, which I will probably never use. Maybe for rollers, to put it on my wrist, so if I drop the camera, something is holding her. So that's cool. Battery. At least they got one. I was afraid that there won't be any batteries. The pouches are cool, to be honest. Oh, what's that? This is the loading station. Loading station. Okay. I thought they put 2 batteries in, but no. I have to get a second one, maybe a real charger, not to plug in every time the camera. It kinda sucks sometimes. And now, the big event. Wow. It's kinda heavy. I don't know if it's heavier than my A7 II. Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it. Woo! Look at this here. I will show it to the other camera. Look, that's from the back. It's from the top. I hope it's focusing on the camera. And here from the front. Wow. So let's test this one first. Okay, that's cool. That's a new highlight. A new highlight, not the new highlight with the A7 IV. You can flip it. With the old one, it was just like, yeah. That's everything you got. Just like this. It was useful when you're on the ground to shoot like this. And we have here our SD slots. I have to change it. Let's put the one right in. I'm using the 128GB Extreme Pro from SanDisk. Here, focus on it. I hope you can see something. Yeah, I'm hoping a lot in this video. So that was the unpacking video. I hope you enjoyed it. I kinda happy, but also like, oh my god, it was kind of expensive. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you a very cool day and I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.